All right, ladies and gentlemen, we are on day 120. I am back home in my office, in my normal office. Hopefully my audio is good. I'm using a different recording software, but hopefully it's just an updated version, so hopefully that works out well. All right, let's go ahead and get started. We're using the Derive platform. We're using our real account, making money. We'll be making trades today, making money today, using our real account. So if you appreciate transparency in trading, do me a favor and smash that like button. All right, keep in mind the goal is to be able to earn $1,000 a month. That is our goal. So let's go ahead and get started here. This is our current account value. If we were to close out all of our positions, this is our current collateral value. In our last video, we crossed over 22,000, which is incredible. We have some buying power available. And if we come down here, the market, the Ethereum market, let's come over here to home. The Ethereum is up about 1%. And our Greeks, we are plus 1.1, which means we're favoring our put positions right now. And the market's going up, so we'll look to sell some calls. But although I would sell some puts, the market isn't moving a significant amount. And keep in mind, we make more money on our puts, but we're already favoring puts. So let's come over here. Let's go out till November 1st, which is this coming week. Let's see what we have. Actually, I just noticed this put right here. I will sell this. It's 8 delta. I'm still skewed to the put side, but I'm going to sell this. I like the fact that it's, by the way, the interface has been changed since a couple videos back, which is growing on me. I kind of like it. Make $10. That's more than 1%. I like that they show you the minimum received. They're showing you after fees now. They put the fees down here. So it makes I don't have to pull up my calculator to make certain I'm getting 1%. It's pretty obvious. If it's more than $9.88, it's more than 1%. Actually, you know what? I'm not going to do 3, and I'll tell you why. It's a little bit of a riskier position just because it's closer. It's just a few days out. So I think I'm going to just do 2, and I'll just do that. And that order's filled. And let's come back and see what we have. Do we have any calls over here? I will take a call if it's... See, we got to go to 12 delta. Keep in mind, I want to be under a 10 delta. 10 deltas is basically... The inverse of that is probability of success. So 88% chance of success, but I'm always want to be over 90% chance. So let's go a little further out. So we have... Come down here. We don't have anything between 5 and 10 delta. Let's go out to the 15th again. We're at 8 delta, 3%. That should get us to 3%. Yeah, that's definitely 3% right there. Which, by the way, just so you know, people say, how much money do I need to start selling options? Well, they're telling you they're defaulting to 0.1. That's $33. You can get started with probably $300, theoretically. I'm going to do 3. I kind of want to do more than that. 4. I kind of want to keep it small if I'm good right now, but I want to. I'm battling in my head from keeping my position a little bit smaller because it's easier to fix a position if it starts to go against you. $2,000 gets to be a bit more challenging to fix, but we're only talking about going out about 2 weeks. So I'm going to have some theta decay working in my favor as well. I think I'm going to go ahead and take this position. Here's the thing. I want to get my buying power to work at the same time. So let's go ahead and do that. $66. Let's go see where my buying power's at. 2,900. Nothing's even remotely in trouble, and I'm going to have all of these positions come available in about a week. Let's come back. Okay, here's what I think. I'm just thinking out loud what I'm going to do. I'm going to see what else we have available that I could take trades on. I don't know if I'm going to take any more trades yet. We are still not quite delta neutral, which is okay. But I will look at the call side. The market's up about 1% anyway. So I will look at the call side. So let's come back over here to options. We did 15. Let's go to the 29th. Let's just see what we have. Again, we're looking at calls, selling above the market. And we're going to have a lot more delta options here. The problem is I need to get out about, now I'm at 1, 2, 3, 4, 3.5 to 4%. So this isn't going to quite give me to 4%, but it's really close. It's really, really close. At a 9 delta, that's a lot more than 4%. That's at 3,400. I'm okay with getting close to 4. Well, actually, that might give me to 4%. Yeah, I'm actually okay with this, to be honest, because it's very close. Here's what I think I'm going to do. I think I'm going to do 2 here. Buying power. This is the buying power that I currently have, I believe, is what it's telling me. All right, let's do this. I'm actually going to probably do 1 or 2 trades here, just to overall to boost this return. Okay, let's come here and let's put 2 on. 22,164. Beautiful. Beautiful. And I'll leave this buying power sitting here. I'll let a couple more days pass. Keep in mind, if the price doesn't change as days pass, theta decay works in our favor, and all of these options become more and more profitable as they get ready to expire. So we have several positions put on right now. We have our collateral values hitting new all-time highs. Feel very good about everything that we have on. And yeah, it's pretty straightforward. Keep in mind, we're getting close to the end of the month, so I will be ending up calculating how much our collateral value has grown. Someone recently asked me, actually it was just this past weekend, a viewer of this channel, someone I personally know, said, "Hey, I've been watching your options trading videos. How long will it take before you're consistently doing $1,000 per month?" The earliest that will probably happen is when our collateral value gets to $24,000. Once we get to the end of the month, I'll recalculate exactly how much we earned based on our collateral value each and every month. So stay tuned for that monthly update as well. You can subscribe to the channel. You don't want to miss that. By the way, keep in mind, what am I doing? I'm ultimately taking profits. I'm going to be taking profits off of this in USD value and reinvesting in other cryptocurrency assets. And if you want to see what I'm investing in, make sure that you subscribe to the channel as well. Thank you so much for watching. If you have any questions about options trading, put them down in the comments.